I like this one, the Fungicide 3. That's the one that I'm just ran out of. I usually use another one, insert a clip from Walmart. 3 garden products in 1 neem oil. Cold pressed neem oil. I have neem oil at home, so I kind of can make that by myself. I think I want to do the fungicide, insecticide, miticide. I'm going to try this one. Oh, it says they're both for organic gardening. That's all they have. Nothing exciting. Channel update. As you can see, my channel has become not strictly about plants, but it's very much so about plants and probably me kind of like traveling a little bit. That'll probably be the theme for my channel. It's gonna be a lot of plants. I did a community post, which is a poll asking if you wanted more plant stuff, if you wanted tarot stuff, if you wanted witchy stuff and spells. I think I said wig things, like my wig reviews, and I'm hungry. I don't remember what the other topic was. What was the first one? I'll show it on the screen. But yeah, most of you said tarot and more plant stuff, so that's easy for me. Those are like really my interests. I did dial back on the tarot because it just doesn't get views. If you've been a subscriber or a looker on my channel, if you've seen my video and my channels grow, if you've seen my videos and my channel grow, you've seen that. The numbers are going crazy right now with this plant stuff. And it's weird to think that like your hobby could get you so many views, but as you know, I live in Charlotte, but when I travel, I like to take this iPhone with me and capture all of the pretty plants that I see at the big box stores. So yeah, that's a channel update. I'm gonna do more witchy, more tarot, and more plant stuff. I think that is the direction that my channel will be going in. Fro update. My hair is just, it's thriving. I need to do a trim. I feel like every time I talk about my hair, it's trim time. But it's been 3 months, so yeah. At the next new moon, it's time for me to do this. Hopefully I didn't miss the new moon. 2 mirrors right here. I love mirrors. I have a mirror behind me too. That one's kind of blocked right now, but I'm a fan of mirrors. Glamour magic. But I do like to put mirrors in certain spots because it helps the light reflect around the room. I have a west facing window blocked by a building, so it's the bright light is, at the end of the day, it's bright, but it's very much diffused. So it becomes like bright, indirect, medium light. So I have this philodendron, Hartley philodendron, like the traditional, I think it's called corotum or horodatum or something like that. She's doing very well. I did try to propagate her. I don't think any of the propagations that I did survived. So now I'm just gonna let her trail and do what she wants. I'm not gonna bother her. I'm not gonna interrupt you no more. But today, I think she does need to be watered. And I'm pretty sure she wants some fertilizer. See how that, yeah, dry. It went right down up in there. So it's the perfect time to water and fertilize this plant. I have it in this cauldron from at home that I got last Halloween. This little shower caddy thing. I really want to use this for like smaller, like mini plants, snake plants, but I don't have that many. I only have like a couple. So really to maximize its use and its space, I need to put the trailing plants on here. Like the baskets, I think they'll fit really nicely on here. And then it gives them the ability to trail down. Let's do a new plant haul. This is my new Brazil, or philodendron Brazil. It's 8 inches, $16.98 from, where did I get this from? I want to say Lowe's. No, this is a Home Depot. This is a Home Depot. From Home Depot. She's beautiful. I need to find her a nice home so she can keep up her even variegation and continue to grow. Here is my new philodendron Mikan. I've seen it with Mikans, like S on the end, or Mikan, but I think it's Mikan. Pretty healthy. I'm feeling like the variegation might be fading a little bit, But you see how I have that circular hanging planter thing right there? That's just a regular philodendron. I'm going to hang this mican, as well as, I think I want to hang my Brazil up there too. Because the philodendron that I showed you at the beginning, like just now, the traditional one, I feel like that one would be really good to sit on a bookcase or a shelf. So here we have a Scindapsus. I'm unsure of what variety it is, but I know it's different than the other ones that I have. I think I have two that are the same, and this one's different because of the way that the silver kind of drapes at the bottom of the leaf. And a like self-watering planter inside of this decorative pot. Place and time. Joann's Halloween decor last year. So you see, it's like that. So it's a small plant. Like I said, I feel like the only plants that really need to be watered every week are the small ones. This one, I think, is more like a week and a half, maybe two. I feel like it's been a week since I've watered it, but it does have a lot of new growth. I don't remember if I fertilized it though. That's the problem. I need to keep a schedule of if I fertilized. I think I did. No, I know I fertilized you. Oh no. Oh no. This is bad, you guys. This is why doing plant chores videos is good, because then I can remember what I fertilized. I don't remember if I fertilized this one, but I think I did. I don't think I did. I don't think I did. I don't think I did. So I'm gonna fertilize you and water you as well. And hopefully you survive. It does have a lot of new growth though. So that could be indicative of it needs fertilizer, or it could be indicative of the fact that I did fertilize it. Back to the music. So these are plants that I had hanging up, but I don't feel like they're like trail worthy enough to be in a hanging planter. So most likely I'm gonna put them back over here. Under here, I don't feel like they have enough space to do what they want to do. With this shelf, as you can see, they have a lot of space. This one's my favorite one between the two. Look how beautiful she is. She's beautiful. Very chunky soil. It looks like there's like some fungus in there or something. Yeah, I had it close to the grow light, so it began to variegate, whatever. So I feel like it would do really good, like right there beside each other. Nice jade or golden pothos. Then I'm gonna leave the variegated philodendron right here, because I have my neon ones here and they do pretty well right here. I moved them to the shelf like in the same exact spot, and they did not like it. They were getting too much sun. But right here, I feel like it is a great mix of sun and a little bit of like a rock that I found at like one of my favorite parks. But with that grow light, it was really helping them to get variegated when they were hanging like right there. So yeah, with these, I don't know if they need water just yet. Y'all, I don't remember who I fertilized last time. That is not good. Freak. I don't remember who I fertilized. I gotta go back and watch my video. But right now I'm just turning them around. As you can see, they were growing this way. So now they're gonna start to like turn their leaves more. Even distribution of sunlight so they can photosynthesize evenly and grow and be healthy. These are in little ceramic. Oh, yeah. I need to like dust around here. I have a duster somewhere around here. But yeah, here, they just do really, really well right here. It's just enough light for them. So I feel like for a plant that's kind of in the middle, this 1, 2, 3, 4th shelf over in the corner is going to be really good for you. I don't want to put that one in a hanging planter yet. I want to let it get a little bit, I don't know, fuller or more trailier. Yeah. I do have the Scindapsus though right here. That fits wonderfully here. So this I feel like is great for like medium-sized plants, not really ones that are too large or that have planters that are like too high up. So right now the sun is definitely coming in a little bit more. It's early morning though, so I guess I get good light in the early morning and in the afternoon. I just wanted to show you what it looks like, the natural lighting. And then over here, I feel like these plants just don't get enough light. So these I have under a grow light. I do have this like grow light right here that shines down when my snake plants are right here, my larger ones. And then these over here, that grow light kind of does its thing. But yeah, just look at this picture. You can see like from this angle how there's really nice like medium indirect light over there. Very low. This is like a low light area, I feel like. But with the grow light, I guess it kind of turns it up. I don't know. But I'm feeling like I need to rearrange my plants, not by the ones that I want to be together, but by the ones that need to be like in a certain spot because of the lighting. I have my succulents here, or excuse me, I have my snake plants here. And they look nice together, but I want to add my little small one in there, but I know I can't. These two plants have been through the most. They fall down the most, and they've like had to be like rerooted into their pot because I dropped them so much. But yeah, I went plant shopping yesterday, and I bought one of these because I thought I didn't have one, and long and behold, I have one right here. I have one right there. Right now, like the sun's like bright. Right now, I'm feeling like, I need to break this break. The reality of plant momming, this is like where I'm taking a lunch break. And as you can see, this is crazy. I have the fan and the humidifier on, but I'm still trying to style everything. As you can see, it looks pretty crazy. Right now, I'm working on this section right here. Just trying to put this pothos back in there. Figure out what to do with the smaller plants. But I think I like the way I have the ZZ plants. This is the new planter that I bought. 3-tier planter from Walmart. I think it looks good. I have my grow light right there. Because there's like no room for them over there right now.